Dear students, I start with lecture 38 of 101 and 102. આપણે જે આગળથી દાખલો કર્યો છે એકવાર જરા જોઈ લો 1 મિનિટમાં, થોડી સેકન્ડોમાં, અને આપણે આગળ જઈએ. Here C is in A to B, therefore A less than C less than D, therefore log A less than log C less than log B. Because we want to reach up to 1 plus log C, so we add 1 on each of the term. Therefore 1 plus log A is less than 1 plus log C is less than 1 plus log B. Now we put value for 1 plus log C from equation 1 in this equation, and therefore 1 plus log A is less than log B raised to B upon A raised to A upon B minus A less than 1 plus log B, and this is due to equation number 1. Now we multiply all these terms by B minus A. Therefore, we multiply this equation by B minus A, and therefore B minus A plus log A raised to B minus A, કારણ કે મલ્ટીપલ હશે તો એની રેઝ ટુ કરી શકાશે, એની ઘાતમાં લખી શકાશે. log B raised to B upon A raised to A is B minus A plus log B raised to B minus A. log માં મલ્ટીપલ હશે તો એના પાવરમાં આપણે લખી શકીએ છીએ. Then I am taking E raised to, we have applied log anti-log over all these three terms, means we are taking this on the power of E. E raised to B minus A into A raised to B minus A is less than B raised to B upon A raised to A is less than B minus A into B raised to B minus A. So up to here you can see half of the answer, and therefore EA raised to B minus A is less than B raised to B upon A raised to A is less than EB raised to B minus A. So this is the half answer. So answer is up to here. We have this answer. Yet we required some more calculation. હજી આપણે થોડું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન બીજું કરવાનું છે. ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લો. જો જે સમજવું છે તે અહીંયાથી છે. આ તો આપણે ઇક્વેશન 1 ની કિંમત લખી છે. જુઓ c a થી b માં છે એટલે a અને b ની વચમાં c છે. log આ રીતે લખી કરીએ છે. log a is less than log c less than log b. બધામાં 1 એડ કરીએ છે. now value of 1 plus log c has been taken from equation 1 and therefore this is log b raised to b upon a raised to a upon b minus a. આ ખાલી આ કિંમત અહીં લખી, બાકી તો આ સરખું જ છે. then we multiply this equation by b minus a. then I am taking all this in on the power of e means e raised to b minus a. e ને log બંને એકબીજાના એન્ટી છે એટલે જતા રહેશે. a raised to b minus a, b raised to b, a raised to a, e raised to b minus a, b raised to b minus a. And though we have this answer and this is the half answer which we require. So I think it is clear to you right now. I say this is equation number 2. And after erasing all these things I am writing it here. So after this equation 2 we start calculating further here. Therefore e raised to b minus a raised to b minus a means a raised to b upon a raised to a is less than b raised to b, a raised to a, e raised to b minus a, e raised to b, e raised to a. તમે જોઈ લો બરાબર. Now if I multiply this equation by a raised to a and b raised to b, this a raised to a will be cancelled. તમે જો આપણે આ ઇક્વેશન ને આનાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો શું મળે જોઈ લો. Multiply by this quantity a raised to a, b raised to b. What we will have? b a raised to b, b raised to b is less than 1. Now we divide this equation by e raised to b minus 1. આનાથી ડિવાઇડ કરીએ તો શું મળશે? e upon b raised to b is less than e raised to a minus b is less than a upon b raised to a. પ્રૂફ જે જોઈએ છે તે મળી જાય છે. જરા ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લો તમે. ઠંડી લાગે છે? One more sum on the board. Read the statement. If A less than B, then prove that B minus A upon 1 plus B square is less than tan inverse B minus tan inverse A less than B minus A upon 1 plus A square. Hence prove that pi by 4 plus 3 by 25 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 is less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6. So let's start to prove it. Obviously by the statement it is clear that we have to take function fx as tan inverse x and the interval is close interval a to b. એ તો આપણને ખ્યાલ આવી જાય છે, બરાબર ને? ફંક્શન જોઈને એટલે એનો પ્રશ્ન જોઈને એવું ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે આ માટે આપણે આ કરવાનું છે. So we proceed to prove it. Answer here fx equal to tan inverse x is continuous on close interval a to b and f is differentiable on open a to b. Therefore, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, fb minus fa upon b minus a is f dash c, where c is in open a to b. તો આ તો આપણે રૂટીનમાં કરીએ છીએ એટલું છે. અને બીજી એક વાત કે fx is tan inverse x and therefore f dash x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is answer for derivation. So we put these values here. So it will be tan inverse b tan inverse a upon b minus a, where c is in a to b and we call it equation number 1. બરાબર છે? જો આ tan inverse b આ tan inverse a upon b minus a equal to 1 upon 1 plus c square, where c is in open a to b. Here c is in open a to b. Therefore a less than c less than b, and by default we choose that both of they are positive, and therefore a square is less than c square is less than b square, and adding 1 to all of this, 1 plus a square, 1 plus c square, 1 plus b square. Then we take reciprocals. 1 plus b square is less than 1 upon 1 plus c square is less than 1 upon 1 plus a square. Then we put the value of 1 upon 1 plus c square from equation number 1, and therefore 1 upon 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a upon b minus a is less than 1 upon 1 plus square. So this is from equation number 1. As we do it so many times, it is once more here. Then I multiply this equation by b minus a. Is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a, b minus a 1 plus a square. So half of the answer is clear. So I say this is equation number 2, and which we wanted. So we are up to here, yet we have to reach here. So do that. What we will do, think that first check that this much calculation. આટલું જોઈ લો છોકરાઓ. હવે વિચારો તમે આટલું જોઈ લીધું હોય તો કે આ જવાબ તરફ કઈ રીતે જઈ શકાય. Take AB equal to 1 to 4 by 3. So now we apply it over equation number 2. AB ની કિંમત 1 થી 4 by 3 લીધી છે. Therefore equation 2 implies 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 16 upon 9 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 is less than 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. B minus A means 4 by 3 minus 1. 1 plus B square means 1 plus 16 by 9. Less than tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1. This is pi by 4. આ જો આ pi by 4 છે અને તમે આન્સરમાં જુઓ તો બે જગ્યાએ pi by 4 છે અને એનાથી તમારે એનું તાળો મેળવવાનો. You have to guess that which number will give you pi by 4, and that will be tan inverse 1. Therefore this is 1 by 3 upon 25 by 9. This is 1 by 3 upon 25 by 9 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 minus pi by 4 is less than 1 by 3 upon 2. So we are very much near to answer. Therefore 3 by 25 plus pi by 4 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 is less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6, and this is the required answer. And therefore આ તો જોઈએ છે જો 3 by 24, 9 will be denominator to denominator, that will be numerator. છેદનો છેદ છે એટલે અંશ થશે એટલે 3 by 25. બધામાં pi by 4 ઉમેરી દો અને છેલ્લે તમે જુઓ તો 1 by 6 થશે. એ તો જોઈએ છે, ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લો. Then I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.